guys, I'm Nikita. I'm here from the team Zenith. Today we are celebrating our first year anniversary, and through this we came across many proud parents, and one of them is here with me right now. How has been your experience with Zenith in the last 1 year?
Yeah, it was wonderful. First of all, my congratulations to you and to whole Zenit team for this wonderful work which they have done. Well, experience is very good. We have found many changes in our son Prajwal, and he has evolved a lot. We have seen that his sensitivity towards many issues have increased. His confidence level has increased, which in 1 year time, it was not possible without the Zenith.
So it was like full, it was really good for your child and
Yeah,
your,
yeah, yeah. Of course, we
according
really
to you.
is leaped, I would say, in this past 1 year, and moreover, his public speaking has also increased. Like he is facing with the, I've heard that in school, he's participating in more and more such competitions and as morning assemblies. So I would say, yeah, amazing one. Well, I already told you that we have seen sea change in him. One thing I would like to add in this that his EQ level that has increased. He's gelling with the whole team. Like he used to, play alone, or maybe he had quite a few number of friends. But now his team size has increased. He's participating more. He's uh, evolved as a more sensitive human beings, I would say. So this is the one of the thing. Yeah. So that's what it's all about. Uh, when we enrolled him, Prajwal, for the first course, Zenith course, and 3 days were passed, and we saw that his attachment with us, his respect towards, was increased. He started suddenly, caring for us. So we were, transfixed whether it would be for only a couple of days or maybe for 1 week because this some recent influence. But then, we found that it kept on increasing, like his behavior, his, more caring nature towards us. That continued, and this is a wonderful thing which we where we connect with this. This is the first thing. Second thing, I already explained that confidence level, his personality development and all that has happened, and beyond Zenith program added to that. And now since he has gone to certain set of communities like Salam Balak Trust, or some orphanage, he's gone, and then old age home, yeah, so where he met with a different people. And you know I really can't explain those things in words.
I completely understand your emotions. Definitely, even we've been connecting with this learnings, and yes, this was probably the first learning that the participant gets at IM Zenith. That he bonds his bond with the family really, goes up, or he bonds really well. The affection level is really good. From a mother's point of view, I would really like to know what did you feel when when you experienced what Mr. Chadha is sharing with us
This,
regarding his bond and affection towards you.
yeah, the same thing in the starting from the day one, I have seen many changes coming into him. Like earlier, he was just a kid at home, but then he started sharing his views with me like a family member, as well as he started helping me also in my day-to-day work, which I was not expecting from him. And the day when he went to the orphanage and the other places, that day when he came back, then I saw him, he cried a lot. And then he asked me one question: how can these kids can leave their parents like this in the old age homes? And in the orphanage, when he saw those kids without facilities, he felt very bad. and he cried a lot for at least half an hour. Then I told him, this is the reality, beta. You have to cope up with this. Yes, if you are asking about me, you are asking about those kids like who leave their parents, that I can't say. But your dadi is at home. You respect, give respect to her, and you just be with her so that she should feel ki, like she is also a family member with us. After that, daily he's in the night he's discussing with her his views, and we both felt very good. Like it was amazed to see like a kid is having so much feeling. Otherwise we were just feeling he is a small kid, बहुत छोटा बच्चा है, ऐसी चीजें तो बड़ों के मन में आती है, but he also started feeling those things.
Yeah, our family bonds have gelled more.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, this is definitely so beautiful. In fact, even we weren't aware of this aspect, what you were sharing, your experience, and this really, makes us really feel good. And do you think, if I were to ask you, do you think that this was an important learning in his life? What he experienced at Salam Balak Trust or at the old age home? Do you think it is something which is going to be of a very strong characteristic in his personality overall?
Of
As
course.
a human being?
Of course. See, the changes which we have seen, I already shared with you. But one more experience I would like to share with you. In the school, they were having the same kind of program. And he told me he was the only child who has taken few things for those orphanage children. And he has been taken to that orphanage also. From school, only 2 children went. One was he, Prajwal.
Yeah.
And another thing, even in the surroundings, whoever elder person is there, he started taking care of those.
Wow.
Like saying
that was a good experience.
Yeah, see, basically, he's getting into a teenage, and in teenage people, 1 or 2 years he'll be in teenage. So these guys, tend to have mood swings, and they start their own. So this is a very important period, I would say, that he is directed towards some values, and these values, I think we have enrolled him at the right time, so that these values will adhere to him for his teenage, which is a very crucial part. Yeah, that's what, even we allowed him to take a leave from school, I would say. Skip that day for this important event. We found that this is more important.
Do you think that all this learning, besides the academics, is important?
This is very important because, generally we are having elders at home. Like in everybody's home, we give respect to them. But the kind of place where orphans are there, like those places, really, when he has been there, after that he came to know the importance of the parents also.
One thing I would add, Somay, that the value deterioration which has occurred, in this,
yes.
and nobody is teaching them those things nowadays. Even, family getting nuclear, you don't have a setup where people teach you values. And if some program like this comes up, this is going to make a real impact.
Difference, yes.
Yeah, difference. My message would be, it's a Zenith or whatever with this kind of programs. Yes, these things are important, and the guys behind it have done wonderful work. They have reversed it. They have put in a lot of effort, and if you get your child enrolled for this, I'm not doing a commercial. I'm not saying these things because we have got benefited from this. So you will see a change in your child, and that really, make a difference if you can.
This is our personal experience, which we have got with the Zenith program, and really it showed me a great difference in my child. Like this is the fact, you can say.
Thank you. And can we have our hero in the frame?
Prajwal, come.
Sit. No, no, nothing.
I would only like to say that, Prajwal makes us feel proud. For what reasons? That as a team, Prajwal and Zenith, and even the credit has to go to the parents who are so forthcoming every time an opportunity is created for children like Prajwal. I mean, you are all there pushing him, taking that lead, and taking that initiative. So it is all a teamwork, and Prajwal on his part has been absolutely a wonderful person. And we've learned a lot from Prajwal.
Is that?
We get inspirations. For us, the driving force is Prajwal because he is the one who tells us to keep on the good work, keep on striving for it, to have the best out of the child. So thank you all for that. And thank you very much for your time and all the mess that we have created. If you're
No,
going
no, no,
to-
no.
I would
No, no.
like to add one word with this.
Yeah.
This is what I call value education. Like we add it in the curriculum, but actually, being a teacher, I know actually we don't use it. But here, whatever you are giving to our children, that is the value education, which is really needed in our society right now.